FedEx just came, so we're gonna see what it is. Oh no. Oh boy. FedEx just came with a long-awaited package that I've been waiting for. Long-awaited, I was waiting for it. So you got that so far. But it's my officially first sponsored box. So this is from Stolen Bike Co. and I'm going to build up my new bike and do a bike check. This is exciting. Let's see what we got here. Guess I'll just dig in. So, in case some of you guys didn't know, I broke my wrist a little bit ago in China. So I got surgery, and just yesterday, the doctor said that my wrist has good enough movement that he doesn't think I need physical therapy. So that means when this is built, I can start seeing what I can do on a bike. So that's exciting. Yeah, I'm really excited to ride this. This is gonna be my nicest bike I've ever ridden, like, in my life. To match my Spec Ops green tires, the Stolen joints, I got the Stolen Team grips. They seem really comfortable. Oh snap. A ton of Stolen stickers, which I already have a couple, so about the sticker ball and everything, you know, represent Stolen shirts. A long sleeve one. I'm in New Jersey right now, so it's like 40 degrees every day. Some Stolen socks, represent everything. This is the STS Pivotal with the Sean Moore signature print. That's gonna look nice. Next to open. Just what I thought. Bottom bracket and headset. It's heavy though. Oh yeah. I got some Thermalite SP pedals, so it's the pedals with the metal pins in them, which are my favorite pedals. It's like the widest platform. I got 4 of the Sean Moore silencer pegs, all with the Spec Ops green plastic sleeve. Last but not least, we have my new frame. This frame is the Sean Moore Connoisseur frame, 20.75, I'm pretty sure. I know I didn't get it in 21. And this is going to be my first frame with built-in chainstays. So that's exciting. I've never had a tight chain whenever I wanted. Double gussets. And all of these graphics all the way around are done by Evan Fisher. So that's just awesome to have that artwork on there. I'm going to start putting this together right now, and I'll do it in like time lapse unless I start talking. I have a problem where I start talking all the time. So you guys can see me build my new frame up from the bottom up. This is just a Merit seat post I'm throwing on here. I don't even know. Oh, these are BSD, I think, 10 Rise, and then Odyssey Raft Stem. I'm going to throw these Stolen grips on there. These are so soft. I like having thick grips because all the big drops I do, less impact on your wrist, and since I just broke my wrist and getting over that injury, that's going to be nice to have a little support. Alright, I have the Shadow Captive forks right now. So this is the Stolen Revolver headset. What I really like about this Sean Moore frame, and actually all of the new Stollen frames, is that the head tube is actually a ½ inch taller than a normal head tube. So without even adding spacers or anything, your stem stack height is already way up. So that's awesome. The head tube is so tall that I don't even have to add a spacer. Never get these forks, they are such a pain. Sorry. This, if you guys don't know, the Captive forks, you can switch the offset. The steeper the better. Right now I'm doing 26mm offset. I love how this looks already. This is the Cinema 777 front wheel with hub guards, Stollen Spec Ops green joint tires, 2.3, so that's the bigger size. This back wheel is a the same rim as the front, the Cinema 777, but it's with a Clat Cortex free coaster. I'm just running it at full slack because I hate when it engages. It's like the worst feeling ever. So I got used to full slack. Some people can't do it, but I love it. Also, I got the G Sport, whatever they call them, overguards. It's funny because I've been riding Stollen parts for so long that everyone already thought that I was going to get picked up by Stollen, but I didn't really have that in mind. I just liked their parts. And I think it's because, well, the one roof drop I did, the first roof drop that was like 11, 12 feet, and my frame had no problems at all. It really made me trust the brand even more than I had, because I think Stollen was my first complete bike too. But that's a story for a different time, because it was Stollen, but it was also stolen. And now I'm going to put in the Stollen bottom bracket, which it's also the revolver model. I don't have a bearing press, so I just kind of wing it. I'm running a Stollen Team 22 cranks, and this is just the Odyssey new $1 million sprocket because I'm rich like that. Not really. I really trust these cranks too, and even if I didn't, they're lifetime warranty, so. I'm gonna put on my Thermalite pedals. Look. Oh yeah, nice. I haven't been able to crank flip in a few months. Holy crap, that is so nice. And yes, I really will ride it this high up. I get so many questions about it. Basically, the main question is, how do you tail whip like that? Or how do you whiplash like that? I guess there's two answers. One, it's because I'm really tall. The other thing is that it really, you can ride your bike however you want to. It's not like, oh, you have to slam your seat to be able to tail whip. It's more like, if I want to learn tail whips with my seat up, nothing's stopping me from doing that. This is so solid already. I just put this all together and I went through everything, and I think I left my chain breaker in Florida. Actually feeling pretty good. I want to ride it, obviously. So let's see if I can get someone over here with the chain breaker. I'm loving the high head tube. I might throw that one on right now. I'll whitewash that guy right under my seat. Alright. Off the old frame. I don't do anything besides ride bikes, so. I did it. So my wheel will never rub.
Like they tough till a nigga get killed.
Alright guys, so that was my bike. Would you calm yourself? Would you calm yourself? This Tyran, he brought the good chain breaker, so I'm happy. Finally got my chain on. Ended up needing a half link, but